My business is a single person sole proprietorship. It's just me and my truck. Think of me as a leading indicator economically. I deal with the general public, private individuals, homeowners. I don't deal with a lot of business to business. I surely don't do any government contracts. It's just me and a truck and private homeowners. So if people are feeling squeezed, I'll know it before the Federal Reserve will, because all the information they use are what you would call a lagging indicator. Whatever they are acting on today, the information is 6 months to a year old. And 9 times out of 10, they'll amend their official reports anyway. So I'm the leading indicator. Businesses like me, uh, like a canary in a coal mine. A canary breathes faster than a human, has smaller lungs. And so if there's natural gas or methane present that will displace the oxygen and kill a human, the bird will die sooner. It was a low tech solution back in the day to make sure the miners didn't die from some gas infiltration. Uh, you can't smell natural gas. You know, the natural gas we have in our homes it smells like a garlicky odor. It's an offensive odor, but that's by design. They put that in there as a kind of a safety feature. So what I'm getting at is the canary isn't doing so good. Last summer, things started slowing down right before the election, and that's normal. I totally expected that. Nothing unusual at all. Every 4 years, the economy just kind of takes a vacation until we figure out, which flavor of crazy we're going to have for the next 4 years. And then, after the election, pretty, pretty standard, situation where after the election, half of the country goes back to spending money again because their politician won. All is right with the world. So they go spend like drunken sailors, everything that they were putting off. This year that didn't happen. So I think people are feeling pinched. Um, I've been in business 26 years. I got to where I don't even advertise because I have such a large client base after, so many years of taking care of people. And I rely on word of mouth, golden rule, all that. So here I am, I advertise every now and then, just small campaigns, social media. But since September, and here it is January, like we're going into the second week of January here, my volume stinks, and it has for 6 solid months. So that tells me something is coming. That tells me you might want to prepare for an economic recession. I think we're technically, well, not technically, but I think realistically, at least in this area, Charlotte, which booming area, it's not like a depressed economy. Um, I think we're heading into one. So, what do you do about it? I'm not saying be afraid, don't panic or nothing. You got to stay light on your feet financially, though. Don't go borrowing money to do stuff that you don't have to do. Um, don't do anything stupid like get a second mortgage on your house just to go on a vacation, see Aunt so and so. She can wait. So, yeah, I'm not telling you to be afraid, but I am telling you, you might want to just tighten up your budget a little bit. And as a general rule of thumb, it's not a bad idea to just, on occasion, see if you can cut your budget 5 or 10%. We're about to see more inflation. Um, so it's the caboose is catching up with the engine. I kind of saw this coming. I figured it would happen way before now, but I could be wrong. Monday morning my phone might blow up and I'll have 30 phone calls wanting me to be there by lunchtime. That has happened on occasion. Um, One truck, without a flux capacitor, I can't do it. But I just do the best I can. So yeah, don't be afraid. I'm not trying to freak anybody out here. Get you, yeah, plumber's hands. Not trying to get anybody worried or anything, but it's a heads up. There's something coming, and do what you can to prepare.